lady, right? And for everyone, my plea to everyone is this: stop dragging her down, because at the end of the day, unless one of you can come and stand up in front of me right now and told me that, and tell me in front of my face, say, "I have pit when missing out a road and you can't find," you can tell me, you can tell me, so you feel her pain. So you can't tell her how to act. You cannot and should not tell her how to act. I do the most for her. I don't come on media and tell it. I don't come on media and chat with me. She can't tell on herself. I send a lady from all over, pay the lady fare, do everything for the lady go down there. I just feel like a lot of people, when they go up on social media and they open their mic, they become scholars. Nobody can tell the next person pain. You understand? So when I know she drinks. You have 7 children and 1 gone, and the one that you was hoping would get the most care in the world is gone. That's gonna devastate you as a parent. So me no want hear nobody a jog her down. Uno have picked out there when me say okay and fine. Uno anybody who a jog her down have picked out there, or anybody out there who know a phone pick them there, uno stop jog her down. I don't care. That's her child, and she have all right to mourn, cuss, fight, bawl, scream in any way or she please, in my opinion. So anybody where jog her down, me not really in them people there. I mean, I tell you no straight. Because unless you have a picnic we're missing, you come and talk to me. And until then, I don't want to hear people jog her down. I don't want to hear it. Yeah, my boss.
We are starting with Jayden now. I am willing to contribute anything towards the fund of Jayden, and I'm willing to stand up with the team 100%, because
but we cannot change, but we're not going to change the flyer, because if we do change the flyer, the only name that is face that is going to be on the flyer would be Ananda, because it's her anniversary. So we're not going to incorporate Jayden into the flyer.
The flyer are already gone in the email them already to the stakeholder them already about our missing child. You understand? Yes. And I will love.
But remember, let me tell you something. What we can do. Let me tell you something. What we can do, right? So you see the Jayden'S them. Let me tell you now how you can do this. So they can solve this something an easy way now. Or you can put Jayden picture on a shot.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes. No, we already have the t-shirts already printed, Tiger, and with on the t-shirts.
Yeah, but what I am saying, LRD, with respect, if people want to go and celebrate and represent Jayden, if it's for a child and people want to go and celebrate for Jayden and people want to go and celebrate for Macho, you can have 50 different picnic names on them shirt. That should not be banned from it.
I am saying if they want to wear Jayden
t-shirt, it is perfect. That is true. That is true.
But I'm just saying we have t-shirts already printed. So if they're planning to wear our t-shirt, it doesn't say anything about Jayden.
So because you see the thing is
yes. So this power with Tiger, say no.
If you go back and listen to my live, I'm not gonna go back like I'm looking crazy, but that's my honest belief. I believe at time to time I said it. It's not only a Jayden thing, it's for children across the universe, across the world. And I've said it time upon time. My mother phoned me this man and reminded me that's what I said. But I said to my mom, I did post the flyer. Cause me personally, I am on a mission, not to nitpicking and things and say, oh, this doesn't go right. But you have people that feel that's been on the journey with Jayden, and them people is very passionate about Jayden. So I feel like what you have to do is you have to start say, okay, compromises, make everybody feel like their voice is heard. So we are going to compromise if we genuinely want better for the society. But if we want our feelings and our emotion to be running things, we're going to say, oh, me not do this, me not apologize. You understand? Let's just say, all right, cool. Because let me tell you something. The Bible tells you, any kingdom that divided by amongst itself, it have to fall.
I have a question. So I'm fine with like the main poster staying as is, right? But would you allow like platform holders to like modify the flyer for their own needs, right? Where they can add a Jayden Smith picture to
no
that?
We're not going to be fine with that. We already spoke with some of the family of missing children, and we can't.
Yard boss, me just want just a sub.
Yeah.
Remember saying it is another anniversary, right? And what all missing children simply mean that the platform them where I say justice for Jayden over the long period of time, and the followers of it, them can put something now together on that day and join in. But the overall thing, remember, justice for all missing children. So it is ABC, you know, that I want to win. That is the movements, the justice. And then now, another t-shirt is there. You understand, people are going to wear. So people know, but then now, when you do something for Jayden, put something together, people can see, because it's a movement and it's many things is in the movement. We are big people, easy to figure out.
We're gonna push it, we're gonna promote it.
We also be having buses, not only one, buses going down in the parish system to take up people, because they add under alert. We also have add under a bunch of families down by Chilani that they want to come up for the march as well, and also people book their flight to come down as well, who's a part of the add under alert team as well, book their flight already to come down as well. Today when I come out of the meeting today with the
me I go have a bus to leave Mandeville. I go to town.
I feel like I need to understand this more. I really do need to understand this more, because
I just want to ask a question. All right, this Ananda Alert is Ananda Alert occasion, and you're now inviting the Jayden fans to be there. Is it that the Jayden fans inside of that movement, we could create a banner, and that day, where Jayden fans would have stand up behind Jayden banner?
Yes.
Separate and apart.
All my pleasure.
So,
yes.
Jayden people
stand up beside it, walk with it, cheer with it, hold it up, do anything, allow Jayden name, everything, and under everybody else. That is the movement.
I would like a unisex thing. I don't want it to be like it's two different thing, because Ananda is a child, Jayden is a child. So we have to find some way to incorporate the two name and the banner.
Tiger.
So if you want to put the two name as the two headline on the same banner, and then
I agree with that.
Peace and love for the children.
Tiger, 1 second. Sorry, Tiger. We don't want to do that though, because we don't want the other parents to feel as if they're being left out.
Let me put my input. Listen to me. The people them have them thing planned before Jayden incorporating it. Now that we are coming to unify ourselves, we can't go like say we did unified from day one. We never unified. We come to unify.
Exactly.
We have to compromise. The compromise that we're going to compromise, we are asking them to give us that space where we could have created a banner to represent Jayden. The news people them come up and they want to interview you pertaining to Jayden. Then somebody's there to speak about Jayden in the movements of the Ananda Alert.
Well, sir, we can give you an update about the marching. We'll be having CVM, TBJ, RFM, and KLS will be there as well, because there's one of our sponsors.
Lovely.
They're our sponsor as well.
So
you understand? The JT buses them will be going into the parish as well as Anova.
No, wait, Derval, we did not get any requests from anyone in Anova. I'm just seeing it now, one person.
In the comment here, just say about to come Anova, so we need to look out.
But we don't want one person to leave from Anova. We want to make sure we have a bunch of persons. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So where we have a lot of people leaving from, we will provide buses, but in Hanover, this is the first I've seen anybody message about Hanover. I did not get any message about it.
Alright then, and this is the chance that the Jayden fans, me not say that chance.
But you can reach out. Sorry, 1 second. But you can reach out to Matter, and we can provide your fare if you would like to come to the march. But we don't have a bus yet organized for Hanover. If we get a lot more requests, then we will do so.
Yeah, man. Yes, we as a Jayden team can make a banner, right? Can make a banner, right? Because the media team will be there. Now is your voice to be heard over the TV to call the Prime Minister attention to you guys now. And
that is what is important.
So they can work and find Jayden.
That is what is important.
Yes.
Yes.
That is what is important.
This is time now, sir, you and Lava, the time now, you and Lava and Yabas now, this is time for come out now and meet with the DP on the grounds face to face.
Right, and that is why this is the
to put on a thing together. Yeah, you understand? Put up on a thing together, and everything go through.
We get an opportunity to make Jayden's voice be heard on that day. Sometimes not the biggest.
And also, I love to see Jayden mother come there and speak on the media about Jayden.
Come talk to me.
We can work on that.
Every time I heard that every time I at work and I heard him voice, believe me, I cry and I hug my daughter and I said, this could be my daughter. You understand? This could be my daughter. And I'm saying this to all the parents them. Please protect your child and be a neighbor's keeper.
You know, Tiger, I'm disappointed that we're still here and haven't found justice for Jayden, because I was serious about finding justice for Jayden, but because of the backlash. And even Derval went to the DPP office and got all the contacts from me and send it to me, and I spoke to the DPP office about Jayden. And to know that we were on, and it's a lot of work that was being done in the background, to know that I got such a backlash for a little boy I don't know, I'm just the goodness from my heart. It's very sad that people
we even have information when not even come out yet. We even have information when not even been released. You understand?
All right, listen now, guys, listen now.
And also, team, I have an information right here in my file. Right directly from a birdie that do not leak as yet. That's because of the backlash.
Guys,
hold on.
Listen, and things like this, me not understand. So I think sometimes we need to quit while we are ahead, because if I got that information that can lock up this family, me not go sit down on it. So we have to quit while we are ahead. Let me tell you something right now. You see, now we are going kind of, because as I said, there's a lot of mistake, there's a lot of misangling of the thing that happened. So we are going to move on from the 4th of
the backlash, Tiger. Just said the backlash, Tiger. The backlash.
We're going to move on, because let me tell you something, right? I personally don't listen to everything that I hear. And if you don't call my name directly, I'm going to do it. But there's a lot of things happen. And this is new to some people. Some people probably the first time they're on media. Some people might see themselves over YouTube and think they turn Michael Jackson or Bob Marley, and they get to them head. So right now, me I say from today, whosoever black people and people are blacking people and all this, only free for black. But I'm gonna go through my blacklist and unblock all of the people and my face and go on with themselves.